How to buy MEAR token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional nor economic expert. Before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use code below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check the amount in the description. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the WEEX accounts and keep following their updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token addition here. As you can see, this token addition is under the Solana network. Now open your wallet. For that, you will use the BitGet wallet. Now after that, what you need to do, click here and select the Solana as the network. So after that, what you need to do, click on this plus icon and paste the token address here. So this is our token. Click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added called MEAR. So after you find it, click on it, click on swap here and switch from here from the top. As you can see, I will just go back and select it again. So what you need to do, as you can see, click on it, click on swap, switch from here from the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now here type how much you want to buy. So wait a few seconds to be able to see how much you receive. So this is it. Now after that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token. It's easy and simple. So this is how to buy MEAR token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.